Getting ready for the fast craft, but they're adding on to the here. This big boy. But I think they hit a rock. It ain't going nowhere. It was moving about 4 or 5 inches each time they shot it down, but now it's going nowhere. Oh, there it goes. Now it's starting to move. Whatever it was, they made some marks on there with the ruler. Now it's starting to move. You can see it move. So anyway, I'm going to board the fast craft. There's a super shuttle ferry for cars and trucks and other passengers. It's not aircon. And then here's the super shuttle. Of course, you guys have seen that in my super shuttle video. So anyway, let me get on, and we'll be back with more from my paradise on Bantayan Island. Bye for now.